automatic eh, yeah.
Tapik lang. Nakuha. Nice bounce. Richie layup. Bagsak. Lasal connection. Lasal connection yan.
So the other thing is,
they're gonna make him create. Finds a way once again. Alam mo, ball hits someone's foot. It's on the floor. They're gonna tie him up. And Richie picks it up. Layup is good for Richie. So after all of that, siya pa rin ang nakashoot. There's a switch. Laki ng kalaban. Decides to kick it to Balanza, who finds Brian, who gets blocked. But he gets it right back. Oh, naubusan na.
ulit natin yung mga 3-pointers. No, there's a couple of 3-pointers happened there for Converge. Oh, Richie Rivero goes to
nasa Converge pa rin. Looking for the basket.
There it is. Hindi na ginather ng dalawang kamay.